So our topic for today is about the indigenous people, the Ati tribe. Their tribe name, they are categorized as Negritos, meaning black with the Spanish colonizers. They are called different names such as Agta, Ita, Ata, Ita Batak, and Ati. All these names are said to be a man. They are described as nomadic, dark-skinned people that is small in frame, standing 4 to 5 feet tall, with flat noses, curly and kinky textured hair. They were the original inhabitants of Boracay long before Philippines was colonized. Ati are the original people of Panay Island, located in the central part of the Philippines, which is located in the Visayas, island of Cebu, Bohol, Siquijor, Leyte, Samar, Panay, Masbate, Negros, and Guimaras. There were roughly 40 families living on the remaining small 2.1-hectare piece of ancestral land in Boracay. Their latest population census is 22,837. Historical background: Ati, Ita, Aita, Batak, Wanwa, Agta, Ata, Baluga, and Dumagat are the indigenous people that are called under a blanket term Negrito. Considered by some as direct descendants of the population that first inhabited the archipelago during the Pleistocene period, a period lasted from about 2,580,000 to 11,700 years ago, also known as the Ice Age. Christians also differentiate the Negritos from Malay as two sub-races. The Malay as the lowland agricultural people, and Negrito or Ati as the mountain tribes or the unbelievers. Colonial and post-colonial impact. The Ati are the original inhabitants of Boracay but have been pushed to the margins as the island gained fame. Many have become homeless, with some forced to survive on welfare and begging on the beaches. They are harassed and being discriminated because of their darker skin color and curly hair. Culture and traditions. Ati Inati or Binisaya nga Inati is an Australian language of the island of Panay in the Philippines. The variety of spoken northern Panay is called Sugodnin. They also speak Kinaray-a and Hiligaynon or Hiligaynen. Traditional practices. Ati have been using herbal medicine since the time they were pure nomadic hunters. The herbal medicine practices have taken the form of talismanad amulet which aid for protection from the different spirits. Tradition persists that the binukot must not be seen by any man from childhood until puberty. Only her family, members, and servants may come face to face with her. The picture below is a plant that is called anino. In their local dialect, its leaves are used to take away headache pains, while the fruit has cancer healing properties. As Ati are animalistic, that's why they likely go hunt wild animals such as bird, pigs, turtles, wild cats, and monitor lizard or bayawak in a traditional way. They hunt in order to survive. They also fish in nearby rivers or oceans. Because this is an ancestral domain, the Ati are allowed to hunt and eat whatever animals they found, while non-Ati are not legally allowed to hunt and eat wild animals. But in today's time, Ati people much more prefer use air guns in hunting because of its easier usage. At the old age, Ati people use bows and arrows, and they are being accompanied by dogs while hunting in the forest. These are some of their ways in driving away bad spirits. The pagbating, beating of the agong, the pagpatupad, releasing of the chicken, pag-urunungun, paying in exchange, pag-anagad, renaming of the sick, pagbutbot, eliminating disease, and pagtabog, expelling evil spirits. Their arts and craft. Ati also uses their hands and talents as tools, being used to weave baskets, bowls, coasters, mats, pot holders, picture frames, and anything imaginable that can be sold to tourists and to help families get through the hardship of life. They are also going deep inside the jungle to collect the weaving materials itself known as nito. Nito is a distinctive cord-like vine sometimes found along the shaded creek beds in rural areas of the Philippines. Their clothing, the traditional attire of the Ati people, are loincloths and wrap-around skirts. Jewelry is simple in nature. Some of their jewelry objects invest plants such as flowers, while others use animal bones, particularly the teeth of pigs. Also, some of their clothes are made out of bark. However, today, because of modernization, t-shirts, pants, and rubber sandals are common as daily clothes. Social structure. Pre-colonial honored both male and female elements in deities or gods, because women are viewed with high regard and deemed as the only ones who can serve as apostles to the spirit world, while men alone as high-ranking religious leaders with none acting as assistants, but never the one to conduct leadership in worship. The council elders is also responsible for community matters, including marriages and the resolution of conflict between members of the family and the community. The males are usually responsible for poultry farming and chopping wood from the forest, while females perform gleaning, a fishing method used in coast and estuaries during the low tide, and making herbal medicines. However, several participants attested that in their culture they do not follow specific gender roles. Economy and subsistence. Maintaining a nomadic lifestyle, Ati people make a living through fishing, hunting, and food gathering. They also experts in making medicinal concoction made from flora and mineral found in nature. The pressure of balancing the preservation of culture and adaptation to modern activities, especially when some of them need to receive services from rural health clinics to be cured and to send their children to local public school. Challenges and issues. The Atis were not able to possess the ancestral land right away and experienced different form of harassment. Cases have been filed to deny members of Ati on their land rights, including the cancellation of CADT filed at the Regional Trial Court. CADT means Certificate of Ancestral Domain. The Ati people have welcomed modernization by participating in mainstreaming health services and education. Indigenous people view health differently since they consider their community as healthy when they can perform activities that support their tribal identity. That means that they are they consider their community healthy because they know how to make herbal medicines in order for them to cure their diseases or illnesses. Current initiative and developments. Artists struggle to self-determination, the condition of ancestral domain. Their sustainable development plans and programs implementing mechanism and policies and pledge or commitments from various organizations and agencies to help protect and promote the right of the artists. The community has implemented most of the plans indicated in their ADSDPP. Both tangible and intangible projects and programs were realized in collaboration with various support groups and individuals within and outside the ancestral domain. They built houses, chapels, a livelihood center, and recreation areas in their new community. Perspective and voices. Due to the increased economic development of non-Ati living in their traditional lands, their way of living and occupational orchestration have been threatened in familiar way. Preserving the traditional ways of making herbal medicine can also expose them from financial pressure because some of the materials to make the concoction are not readily available in the community and must be shipped from the neighboring provinces, which is costly, leaving them with small profit. Some identify that some Ati people engage in occupations that are potentially risky and health compromising because of how they demonstrate their ways of eating, drinking, and toilet routines. On the other hand, preserving their traditional way can finally put them on risk because having no steady income can affect their ability to participate in indigenous occupations. People under the study are left without a choice but to engage in mainstream occupations such as driving tricycad, doing laundry for the settlers, and engaging in manual labor that can pose risks to their desire to preserve their culture, traditions, and costumes, but taking this risk means also for them to survive. These are the articles we can search for further understanding. 1. Jacob Maentz. 2. Ati Tribe Stories, Earth Vagabonds. Ati, the Indigenous People of Panay Highlands Digital Commons, exploring indigenous occupations, cultural hearing rituals and practices used by Ati traditional healers. Organizations. They are the organizations that support the Ati tribe. The local government unit of Naga, LGU Naga, and National Commissions Indigenous People NCIP. Tuklas Katutubo, the National Organization of Indigenous People in the Philippines. The IPRA, the Indigenous People Rights Act of 1997, designated as Republic Act number 8371. Then the Development Foundation, INC, a private non-profit organization. 5. The Ancestral Domain Sustainable Development and Protection Plan, the ADSDPP. Episcopal Commission for Indigenous Populations. Visual and Media. These are the Ati people that wears their traditional clothes. In the picture, we can see a binukot with her husband wearing their traditional clothes. A picture of the young generation of the Ati people. This is the way of Ati people in order to survive. The way of Ati people in surviving in daily life: food gathering, labor, hunting, fishing, etc. Ati people's traditional way of using and making herbal medicine. Lagay mo ang tagihumok, sugin mo to, tapos lagyan mo na ng mga bato-bato, yaman tinidra, saka yaman titapon, marimuhok, tapos dates, tapos yar, tapos langis, mga gamot, kurisma. Kasi yan ang sabi ng mga ninuno namin. Conclusion. Ati tribe belongs to the Negrito in bloodline. They make herbal medicines, go hunt in the jungle, fish in the river oceans, and food gather in order to survive. But they also are experiencing discrimination, harassment, disrespect because of how they look. The Ati tribe are also doing their best in preserving their traditions and culture, even though with many challenges that occur because of modernization. This will show us that we must respect them, the way of how they live, and most importantly, teach us that we must love, cherish, and to be proud of our own indigenous blood and ancestral way of living. Reflection. Researching about the indigenous ways of the Ati tribe opened our eyes that even though they are facing many challenges in preserving their traditional ways and that they can be at risk, but they are openly accepting the hardship because of facing challenges means also they are willing to survive. They made us realize that even though we are in the modern times, we must know how to cherish, love, appreciate, and be proud of our indigenous way, roots, and traditional way of living, and know how to respect other people's traditions and culture in order to have a much more better understanding and wider sense of perception. References, and that's all for our report. Thank you for listening.